Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and we'll even set up on my new Dreamax Smartwatch. I do want to thank the company for sending this in to do a review, and it actually came at a perfect time because mine's busted. Check this out. That is a nice size screen. Very nice. Manual for it. Not sure what's in here. Let's see. Looks like a cleaning cloth. Some warranty information. And then actually a screen protector. Cool. So you have different style watch links to go with it. So I actually might use this one or more of the traditional like rubber one. The charger for it. And this is to switch out the little links on them. Cool. So let's take this little plastic off so we can actually use it. It says I might have to charge it, so we might do that first. Oh, there we go. So we'll hit English. And then I'll download this app real quick. So let's do that. So there's two ways to hook it up. You could either scan that QR code or just follow prompts at the beginning. Then you'll download that app, go through some of these questions on here, put the watch right next to it, and then you're literally good to go. All right, and that's how you get it connected. Like super easy to get it hooked up. Literally, I just held them next to each other and then it detected the watch. And then you just answer the couple questions on there and then you're good to go. But now let's look how cool this actually is. I'll get it close to here. So you're actually able to change these. It'll show your messages on there. And check this, if you hit this button right here, look at all the applications that it comes with. That is freaking cool. One thing that I did want to point out is the battery on this can last up to 3 weeks without charging. Obviously, it's going to depend on how often you use it. But unlike the other watches that only like every 24 hours you have to charge it, this one can last up to 3 weeks without having to charge it on normal usage. So I thought that was a huge win for the watch. I do want to get a couple text messages, maybe try out some of the calls just to see how it works. So let's do that. All right, so they're gonna send a message. Let's see how it looks on the actual watch. Damn, there it is. That is neat. So let's see, we'll click on it here, or if you scroll up, it'll show you the messages there. So that is very, very cool. So it doesn't matter if it's iPhone or Android. I have an iPhone, and it paired to it just as well as any other. I do want to check out some of the apps on here. So if you hit the sport mode, if you're super active, it has everything on here. Let's try that first. Let's just hit it. That is cool. That is very cool. The watch is actually waterproof as well. So that is also a very cool feature on there. I'll just show you on here, the response time on the watch is really good, like a lot more than what I thought it would have been. So if we hit this button right here, let's go to settings, display. We'll switch up the face that it has to maybe not something so crazy, like I'd probably go with something like this. But as you can see, like I can just navigate freely on here. It's not all glitchy, or it's like super responsive, which I thought was really cool. Let me test out a call now, see how that comes through. All right, and once you get a call, as you can see, it'll also show it on here. Let's see what happens if I answer it right from here. Probably just try to answer it from my phone. So that's pretty cool. So you can, if you accept a call on here, it is gonna accept it on your cell phone. So again, it's still nice to know if you have somebody calling you. All right, and one of the last features that I'll show, it also has like the heart rate sensor on there. So you can see it is reading right now. So man, this watch does everything that I would have expected it to, and then some. It does a lot more things than my traditional watch probably did. Very, very affordable price. So if you're looking for a good replacement watch or just a starter watch, smartwatch, I would highly recommend this one just based on everything that I see here. Based on the little bit that I've used, I'd highly recommend it. Definitely a 10 out of 10.